What's up, friends? It's Jen Clements with Coastal Life Properties, and I'm at our newest listing in the Pineda Ridge subdivision. This fantastic gated community features a super low HOA as well as a community pool, and in the heart of Viera. Built in 2013, great floor plan as well as peace of mind with a whole home generator. I can't wait to show you around. Come on, let's take a look. Thanks so much for taking a look at our newest listing at 3204 Constellation Drive in Melbourne, Florida. Coastal Life Properties would be honored to schedule a showing for you to take a look at this home. Give us a call at 321-633-2313.